Hi everyone! In this video, we will solve number problems involving multiple numbers. The sum of two numbers is 53. One number is 15 less than 3 times the other. Find the numbers. The first thing we want to do is decide on what variables we want for the two unknown numbers. I'm going to go ahead and pick A and B. So we have the sum of those two numbers translates to equals 53. So we'll have A plus B equals 53. Now the next sentence we need to translate says one of those numbers is 15 less than. We don't know which number, so we can pick either one. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to use A. A, and then we translate is means equals. Then we have our tricky phrase, less than, which reverses the order. So 15 less than means we will subtract 15 3 times, which means 3 being multiplied to something, and it goes beforehand because of the less than, the other number, which we have is B. There we go. Now we have both of our equations. A plus B is 53, and A equals 3B minus 15, simply by translating it. Now we can substitute what we have for A, this 3B minus 15, into our first equation and solve for B. So we end up with 3B minus 15 substituted in for A plus B equals 53. Now, because we don't have anything that we need to distribute or multiply with those parentheses, we can just drop them off. So we get 3B minus 15 plus B equals 53. Now we can combine like terms, so we get 4B minus 15 equals 53. Then we can isolate the variable by adding 15 to both sides. 15 minus 15 cancels, so we're left with 4B equals 68. Then divide both sides by 4 to isolate the variable. 4 divided by 4 cancels, so we are left with B equals, and 68 divided by 4 is 17. Now we found one of our numbers, but we have to find the other. We can use this B to substitute into either of these equations to solve for A. And since the second one's already solved for A, let's go ahead and do that. It's already solved for A, so we'll get 3 times, substitute 17 in for B, minus 15. Then we get 17 times 3 in my calculator is 51. So A equals 51 minus 15, and 51 minus 15 in my calculator gives me 36. So our two unknown numbers are 17 and 36. And we're all done.